Yo, hey, what's up, everyone? Today we are going to open this up right here. One of the latest Kaido House releases. Nissan Fairlady Z. The crossover collaboration thing with the Tamiya, Japanese brand, nicknamed the Frog. And then, yes, you see this in the background. I found this today at Walmart. The Brick Shop 83 Silverado. Very cool. Definitely had to pick that up. Yep. So that was cool to find that. Anyways, let's open this up. Get the plastic off. Open this up. Take a looky look. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, I gotta remember. Do have the stickers at the bottom. Alrighty. Okay, come on. Alrighty, that side's undone. Alrighty, here we go. Oh. In there. No guts, no glory. Okay. Same thing on both sides. Alrighty. Alright, here's the bottom of the box. Then, official Nissan licensing sticker thingy. Woo! Alright. There's, of course, the little shiny bottom. Alright. Have ourselves a looky here. A bunch of decals. Alrighty. Frog Racing Team. There's the top there. Tamiya Racing. Alright. I got something on the lights. It just says Bright, B-R-I-T-E, looks like. Ah, there we go. There's a clear shot of that. Side. Alrighty. Excuse me. Alrighty. So we go right-hand drive. Nice. So we can see what that thing says on the right here. So we can get that clear enough to see that. There we go. Yeah. It says Frog Racing Team on the tires. Alright, here's the back. There we go. Now that side of that box makes sense now. That's my the license plate. Then their logo down there. Alrighty. There we go. A good look at the driver's side here. bucket seats. Yeah. All right. Ooh, let's not do that. And these are there's little rubber pieces for the mirrors. Now, open the hood. So I can just go to the back here. Let's open the hood up. Yep, there we go. There we go. Opens pretty good. Have a look under the hood. Alrighty. Okay. Okay, how does this close? Okay, closing this is going to be a challenge if I don't want to break it. Okay, let's see. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Well, that's... How do we close the hood back without messing this up? Oh, there we go. I do it from the front right here. Okay. There we go. Alrighty, gonna give it a good little rolly roll. Ooh, nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Nice. Alrighty, that is very smooth roller. Very cool. Yeah, so there you have that. The Frog. Fairlady Z. Kaido house. Oh, yeah, and then you got us. The exhaust right there too. Yeah. Alrighty. Guys, thanks for watching and see you on another one. Later.